Hello, this is Dirk. I'm product manager for HK Audio here at NAMM 2016, and I'm here to show you our newest baby, which is the Lucas 608i. You probably know the earlier Lucas systems we have, the Lucas 300 and Lucas 600. This one is new. The hardware is the same as from the Lucas 600, the satellite ones with each 80 watts and the active subwoofer with 300 watts. What is totally new is the included mixing boards. We have 8 channels, 4 mono channels that can be set up for microphone, hi-set or line inputs. We have onboard contour EQ, we have reverb send, as you might see here. We have reverb presets on board. So it's all in one package. We have Bluetooth audio streaming, which you can see right here. And the really big news is that we have an app who can control the Nano. So the Nano inside is controlled via a DSP, and we use the Bluetooth connection to remote control it from an app for the iPad. As you see here, this is the main page. We call it the mixer page. You have very large faders. You have mute buttons. The buttons also show you what input signal is selected. So if I switch an input on the Nano right here to guitar, you see that the icon is following the setting on the Nano. So very easy to use. Next page, the second page we have is the master page. You have access to a 7-band graphics EQ. Really easy to use. Tap and hold it and it will reset. You can see the reverb presets. And again, if I turn a knob on the Nano, right here I switch the reverb presets, you can see that the settings are following. The same with the send knobs. If I turn a knob via the app, I can do a setting. As soon as I touch the knob on the Nano, the app will follow. So in case the iPad gets lost or the battery is low, you still can finish the show with the knobs on the hardware, no problem. And the third page I want to show you, which is the last page, we call it the channel page. Of course, you want to edit your sounds, so we have a 4-band EQ for every channel, fixed 4-band EQ, very easy to use with a low-cut filter, and the 1-knob compressor. So this is for the unexperienced users. But if you say, I want to go more into detail, I want to tweak deeper frequencies or whatever, no problem, go to the setup and switch the expert mode on, and you will see that the EQ will turn into a fully drawable EQ. Yeah, you can tweak the Q factors, everything really easy to use, or you can adjust it via large sliders. Okay, and also the compressor section turned into a full professional one with attack, release, even hard and soft knee parameters. Very easy to use. And in case you do not know what you are doing or where you are, just put a little info and an explanation pops up which explains what every function is doing. Yeah? Tap again to get rid of it and push the HK Audio logo to be back on the main page. Of course, you can personalize it, could add a color, or you could use the for iPad camera, which does not make sense at the moment because it's inside the box, so it will be a black picture, but you could also use maybe some pictures from the camera. We'll see whether I find something. Yeah, what about this one? And here you go, you can see, you can personalize your channel. Well, that's mainly it. One more thing maybe, as I told you, the app is talking to the Nano via Bluetooth. And to be on the safe side, we implemented a very useful tool, this little antenna, as you know from your cell phone. So you always can see the connection in between the Nano and the app. Yeah? That's mainly it. Thanks for your time and all the best. Cheers.